Today I'm going to show you the easiest way on how to create Cyberpunk color effect in Photoshop. First, press Ctrl J to make a copy of layer. Go to the filter and choose the convert for smart filters. Go to the filter and choose the camera raw filter. Select the basic. Just copy these settings below it. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Select the color grading. Click the shadows. Just copy these settings below it. I will speed this part up to save your time. And click the highlights. Just copy these settings. Select the effects. Just copy these settings below it. When you're done, click OK. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the levels. Adjust the shadow output levels to 25. And adjust the shadow input level to 20, midtone input level to 0.75. Go to the layer panel. Create a new layer. Go to select and choose the color range. Just copy these settings. And click OK. Click the foreground color and choose the white. And click OK. Go to Edit and choose the fill. Just copy these settings. And click OK. Remove selection, go to Select and choose the Deselect. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select Outer Glow. Click the color picker and choose the white color. And click OK. Just copy these settings. I will speed this part up to save your time. When you're done, click OK. And reduce the fill to 0%. Create a new layer. Select the brush tool. And choose the soft round brush. And the opacity 100%, flow 30%. Click the foreground color. In the color picker, choose the sample vibrant color from the image. And click OK. Press left and right square bracket key to resize your brush quickly. And add dabs of color on a new layer that correspond to the color of the lights in that part of the image. Go to the layer panel. Change the blend mode of the layer 3 to screen. And decrease the opacity to 35%. Click the brush picker, choose the hard round brush. And set the size to 15 pixels. And the opacity 100%, flow 100%. Select the pen tool. And create a path. Hold Ctrl and click on the canvas to reset the pen for the next path, then continue tracing rest of the words. I will speed this part up to save your time. Go to the layer panel. Create a new layer. Right-click on the image and choose the stroke path. Make sure the brush tool is chosen. And click OK. Go to the filter, blur, and choose the Gaussian blur. Increase the radius to 11 pixels. And click OK. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select Inner Glow. Click the color picker and choose the white color. Just copy these settings. Select the color overlay. Click the color picker and choose the bright blue color. Just copy these settings. Select Outer Glow. Click the color picker and choose the bright blue color. Just copy these settings. Select Drop Shadow. Click the color picker and choose the blue color. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Right-click on the image and choose the delete path. And this is the result.